Example 2 on page 541, solve square root of x equal to -3. Solution. Alright, so we are given square root of x equal to -3. Now, with experience or solving, you will see that there's no solution for this equation because this is square root. Index is 2, which is even. For even index, you should not have a values equal to a negative value. The way you see this, it means that square root of x equal to -3, which is not true. Square root of any number is never negative. So, with experience, or seeing the equation so many times, you can say that there is no solution. There's no real number solution for this equation. Okay, now suppose that you want to see why there's no solution. We can try by solving it using the principle of the exponent, the principle of powers, The principle of powers would say that if you have the equations a equal b, that is true, then when you take the n power on both sides, this equation, the left hand side is still equal to right hand side. N is a natural number. Okay? So I'm going to use the principle of powers. Okay? This is the principle of power. So, for this, I'm going to take n power on both sides. Make sure you select the correct power so that you can simplify this radical. That's the plan why we raise to the n power. The reason we raise to the n power so that we can remove the radical we have. So this is square root, right? So the index is 2. So to remove this square root, I will square both sides. Okay, so this is square root of x. When you square both sides, this is equal to square root of x. When you square it, is equal to x, and -3 you square it is equal to 9. So the answer is 9. And again, you need to check the answer because once you square this, you may get an incorrect solution or a solution that is not belong to this equation. All right, let's test it. Next, we're going to check this solution x equal to 9, and we're going to substitute 9 to the original equation. Substituting 9 here, and once we substitute, we don't know if the left hand side is still equal to the right hand side. Now, 9 you can factor out as 3 squared equal to -3. Now, because this is square root, the index is 2, okay? And this factor 3 has the exponent 2, so 2 matched with the index 2 right here. That means you can simplify this radical by move the factor 3 outside the square root. Now, this is false, right? Because a positive 3 cannot equal to -3, so this is false statements. So you know that this is not a solution to this equation. That's why there is no real number solution for this equation. And again, square root of any number never equal to a negative value.